Today we are looking at the Lebof stainless steel 3-quart pot. We'll do a quick unboxing and review. Okay, so here we have the nice box that it came in. Just took a couple of days to arrive, so let's go ahead and open it. And as you can see that everything's nicely packed, the first thing we'll take out is this carrying bag. You can see that this carrying bag has the Lebof logo embroidered in it. Very convenient to store and carry the pot around. It also includes an instruction manual explaining the care, use, and warranty of the pot. It does have a lifetime warranty. Okay, so let's take a look at the pot now. Everything is well packed, and here we have the lid. Beautiful shiny stainless steel, feels high quality. You can see how the rim curves up on the edges so that it can form a nice seal on the pot. The handle feels very sturdy and is designed to stay cool while cooking. So next we'll take a look at the pot itself. Okay, so they've included a card with all the social media pages of the company in case you have any questions. Picking up the pot, it's as heavy as cast iron, feels very solid, and once again, very high quality feel to it. It should last a very long time. Looking under it, it does have the brand name on the bottom. The pot is also designed with a stay cool handle for when you cook. Let me put this down and give you some specs. This pot is a 3-quart pot. Total length including handle is 15.7 inches. Total weight of pot and lid is about 4.5 pounds. Total diameter is 8.5 inches and pan depth is 4 inches. This pot is made of medical grade stainless steel with a 5-ply construction with a magnetic outer shell that can be used in induction, gas, electric, halogen, and even oven cooking. It is designed with a curved rim and arch lid to prevent boilovers, and this also locks in moisture and nutrients with a non-stick finish. Okay guys, so we do have the pot here. We're going to go ahead and fill it up with some cabbage. We'll see how much it locks in that moisture. Lock in that lid. So I'll bring you guys back in a few minutes. And I turned it off because, you know, it was really hot. Let's go ahead and show you. Look at all that moisture locked in. And you can see that even though I did not put any oil or water in the pot, and despite that I cooked in a medium-high heat, the cabbage did not stick to the pot. Excellent cookware. The Lebof stainless steel 3-quart pot is hand polished to a mirror finish. It conducts quick and even heat and has a durable quality feel to it. It's an investment that will last a lifetime and is the perfect heirloom quality cookware for passionate home chefs and professionals alike.